would still do me. Hey, I really want to say hey girlies. I've been watching Simply Nessa for too long. This is my intro. Well, I guess my second intro, because you're gonna see another one. Well, my first. I don't know. If you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Comment right now just to say that you did it. Like right now just because you like my makeup, and then subscribe just because I'm popping ass and you know this. Okay, yeah, the struggle. So just if you're doing your makeup, then you know, do your makeup and struggle with me. Bye. What's up? How you doing? How you been? Yeah, it's been a minute. So this is gonna be a get ready with me. I'm getting ready for my first date. You know, kind of nervous. First date, kind of nervous. You know, the usual. But I'm gonna do like a light beat. I mean, if you want to call it a beat. I'm not into makeup like that. I just put it on my face so I can look decent. I don't usually wear foundation, but I'm gonna try it today. I went to Ulta to buy some loose setting powder, but they didn't have any, so I ordered it. So I'm not gonna have any powder to bake my face with today. We're just gonna see what happens. So yeah, enjoy. Don't judge my tiny mirror. And I don't have any primer. Like, this is literally the worst get ready with me ever. I don't have any of the makeup that I know I should have just because I haven't re-upped on anything. So I don't have any primer, so I'm just putting this on my face. I did moisturize before I did this though, so. If you can see it, it's in Fawn. Only concealer I use. I did used to use NARS, but they's too expensive. And I'm a college student on a budget, so you know I gotta save some money. God, I hope I don't look like complete trash today. That would suck on my first date, wouldn't it? I'm just looking at my makeup and I'm just like, I don't know if I like this. planning on having, am I focused? I'm planning on having music played like throughout the entire thing, as you notice. But you know, when I do talk, I apologize. I'm watching anime. See, okay, I don't like my contour, but I'm gonna keep contouring. Once again, not a makeup guru. Don't know much about makeup. I'm gonna use this brush to bronze my face. I know it is not a bronzing brush. I think this is a foundation one. What does it say? Expert face brush. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna use this for bronzing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lightly tap this, and I'm gonna lightly tap this, and I'm gonna brush it along my cheekbones. I just use what I can use, and if it works, then it works. I'm giving you guys every right to roast me in the comments. You don't even see the bronze. That's how good I am. Natural beats on hits. Let's go. Okay. I don't think when I highlighted it was light enough, so I'm just going over it. Yes, I did just contour my face. I did. But who cares? Okay, this isn't anything. Like, this really just isn't a look. I just smothered my face in makeup. To finish it off, I'm gonna go with my Becca highlighting thing, and yeah, I'm going with Becca. Highlight my face. You know, at this point, I already know that my face doesn't look that attractive, so I'm not even gonna look into my tiny mirror anymore. I'm just gonna do it. Just doing it. Back. Back. Do I look beautiful now? Do you think he'll love me? Well, I guess I don't look that bad. Even if I didn't do like the best job on my makeup, I would still do me. That, I guess that's it. Let me do a slow-mo for y'all real quick. I'm gonna go put some stuff on my lip and I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this, whatever it was. I think my makeup turned out pretty okay, even though I didn't have everything that I needed. I do have to worry about it rubbing off since I didn't bake, and when my skin gets oily, it's definitely gonna just melt. But at least I look okay right now, right? Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. To finish this look, I use the NYX butter gloss, which is literally so freaking amazing. It smells so good. I just want to eat it. Like, oh, I love it. I freaking love it. If you enjoyed this video and the cringiness, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you want to, like, you know, help a sister out, get some more subscribers up in this joint. Let's make a whole family. Let's be friends. Let's do all of that. Yeah. I'm gonna get ready for this date. I got like 30 minutes left, so wish me luck. I'm gonna try to like insert a clip of the date, not the guy who I'm going with. Hopefully he doesn't be like, what the fuck you doing? I hope he doesn't. That would suck. It's just like, why you freaking out? What you got to hide? What you got to hide, honey? I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna be right back. Hey. Oh, let me stop.